Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today in the shop we have a 2010 Nissan Murano, and I'm going to install a rear cargo mat. It is a Nissan brand. We sell it on the webpage, so if you need it, click on the link below and head on over. Simple installation, just open your tailgate. It's got the notches cut out for the back there, the little hooks they have for if you want to tie something down. And there it is. Fits like a glove. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.